I-80, just east of Donner, screwed up construction area, got the lane down to 10 foot, the truck is 9 foot. Good old Michael recording. Show you the kind of shit I gotta put up with out here on the road. Narrow ass thing. Michael, show the rear view mirror so it shows how narrow it is. Show them how close we are.
Yeah.
Whoa. Caltrans should be sued for making this as narrow. Actually, it looks a little wider than it was. The other side's all backed up too, because it's really narrow over there too. I can't tell you how many truck tires I've seen shredded by these cement barriers here. These different truck drivers that don't know how to drive come through here and hit the barriers, especially on the corners. There's a spot right there at K-Rail. Got nailed by some idiot driver. There's another one. There got hit. There's another one. Last year they had to replace all this K-Rail construction to keep the crap out. There's another one. Being funky don't help. And that's about it. Now we're in Nevada.
And our spikes are still there.
Yep, didn't hit no spikes. Yay!